Managing contacts is important for both personal and work use. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to export OnePlus contacts to Excel for better organization and editing. Part 1. Export OnePlus contacts to Excel with MobiKin Assistant for Android. Easy. With MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac, OnePlus contacts can be exported to Excel, CSV, or other formats with ease. Users can back up their entire contact list directly to a computer. How to export contacts from OnePlus to Excel spreadsheet. Using MobiKin Assistant for Android, connect your OnePlus to the computer via USB and enable USB debugging. Once detected, open All Contacts to view your contact list. Pick the contacts you want to back up, then click Export. Export to CSV to save them to your PC or Mac. You can also manage, edit, or delete OnePlus contacts directly within the software interface. Part 2. Export OnePlus phone contacts to Excel using Google Contacts. How to guide. On your OnePlus, open Contacts, export to save a VECF file. Transfer it to your computer and import it into Google Contacts. Export as Google CSV or Outlook CSV, then open in Excel and save as ZLs if needed. Part 3. Export contacts from OnePlus to Excel via Export Contacts. Contact Mover. Install the app, grant contact access, and choose Export Contacts. Select CSV or Excel format and save or share the file. Open it in Excel for editing or saving as ZLs. Part 4. Export entire contact list from OnePlus to Excel via Export Contacts. Install the app and grant contact access. Select Contacts and choose Excel ZLs format. Save the file, then open it in Excel to view or edit.